Hi, explorers. Hope everyone is fine and protecting themselves. Well, today's episode, we're going to. Ay! Oh my God, the noise. Sorry. Today's episode, we're going to talk about lightning. Evelio, one of our explorers, asked us various questions. Number 1. When it rains and we see lightning in the sky, is it necessary to go indoors? And the other one is a lightning without a sound. Is it less dangerous than the one with sound? Okay, so very good question. Let's see how I can answer them. Okay, but first we need to talk about what is lightning. Lightning is an electrical charge in the atmosphere that is out of balance between clouds, air, and the ground. In the early stages of development, air acts as an insulator between the positive and negative charges in the cloud and between the cloud and the ground. The movement of rain and ice within the thunder cloud creates an electrical charge, with a negative charge, which are electrons, forming below the cloud, and the positive charge, protons, forming on top of the clouds. Opposites attract. Thus, lightning occurs between opposite charges within the thundercloud storm. All right, now let's see the 3 types of lightning. Starting with number 1, cloud to earth. The best known but not the most common. It is a discharge between a cumulonimbus cloud and the earth. It is the most dangerous type of lightning since it travels from the cloud downwards, and upon impact it can cause damage to living beings and damage to property and objects. In cloud to earth lightning, we have 3 categories. A, hurl, which is characterized by generating chain intersections of short, bright sections that last longer than a regular discharge. B, staccato, very short duration with a very bright flash appearance and with extensive branching. And C, forked, which shows the branching of its path, very similar to staccato ray but longer. All right, the second category is earth to cloud. Consists of a discharge between the earth and a cumulonimbus cloud with an upward stroke. This is formed when negatively charged ions rise from the ground and meet the cloud with positively charged ions. When they collide, the lightning returns to the ground as a trace. And the last one, number 3, cloud to cloud. There are 2 types of cloud to cloud lightning. Those that occur between 2 separate clouds called intercloud, and those that occur within the same cloud between areas with different electrical potentials called intracloud, the latter being the most frequent. If thunderstorms are approaching while you are playing sports or playing outside, you can end the game before seeking shelter. Many deaths caused by lightning occurs because people do not seek shelter in time. It is not worth risking your life or being permanently injured for wanting to finish a game. Seek shelter immediately after hearing thunder. I will put a link from NOAA so that you can read the myths about lightning, and that way you can protect yourself. Now let's talk about thunder. What causes thunder? Well, according to NOAA, the energy from lightning channel briefly heats the air to about 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, much hotter than the surface of our sun. This causes the air to explode outwards. The enormous pressure in the initial outward shock wave decreases rapidly as distance increases, and within the 10 yards or so, it has been small enough to perceive as the sound we call. Thunder can be heard up to 25 miles from the lightning strike, but the frequency of the sound changes with the distance from the lightning channels that produce it. Because of higher frequency are absorbed more quickly by the air. Very close to lightning, the first thunder you hear is from the closest channels, which produce a heartbreaking sound because that thunder contains high frequencies. A few seconds later, you hear a sharp click or a loud crack from the lightning channels a little far away. And several tens of seconds later, the thunder from the most distant part of the flash has died down to the low frequency rumble. Now, Explorer Evelio, lightning is not possible without thunder. No, it is not possible to have thunder without lightning. Thunder is a direct result of lightning. However, it is possible that you might see lightning and not hear the thunder because it was too far away. Sometimes this is called heat lightning because it occurs often in the summer. Evelio, hope I answered your questions, and remember, explorers, if you have any curiosity, any doubts, or any questions related to STEM, don't hesitate to write us at ask@starbase-ct.com. Bye.